have to say, we'll make this look cute. Garbage! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cleaning my depression room. As you can see, it is absolutely a mess and it's super embarrassing, but the thing is, I'm feeling a lot better today, and I don't know whether that be my meds or probably whatever it is inside of me is influencing me to clean my room. So this is the before. When I film, all my stuff gets like laid out on a table, and then there's like the filming area that looks like, oh, like clean, right? Wrong. We've got some Chex Mix, you've got a ton of bowls and cups and garbage and clothes, and this is just like getting really embarrassing. But I got these garbage bags, so I'm gonna start by getting rid of trash first. My bathroom's kind of worse, so we'll get out of here, but this is the before. I know, it's so bad. I was also really sick this week, so that's why it's a depression room and it's a sickness room. So I really want to be like disinfecting. I need to make this look more like looser because this is just a bun. This is a bun with hair in my face. I hate this. I love it. Am I making the bun come back? No, you're not, Christina. Okay, well. Am I the only person who doesn't know where to put their contacts when they're done? Like, my mom yells at me. She's like, you need to put your contacts in the garbage like a normal person. And I'm like, no, that's weird. Why would I do that? They belong on the side of my bed, silly. Does anyone else leave all their glasses and dishes in their room and then have their mom yell at them 24? Everyone at my age hates using the top sheet. I also hate it, but it keeps your regular blanket clean. That's why it's there. Cute. Wow. Done. Just kidding. This is actually from my boyfriend's mom. She got this for me. It's this Korean heating pad for your mattress. It's really great. I love it. My fan's really loud, but it's so good, especially when you're freezing at night and it's an electric heating blanket. It's like when you have cramps in the winter time, this baby, amazing. This here is a basket of clothes that I try to rewear because I really hate to waste when I wash my clothes. I hate that waste of water. So I like to reuse some of my clothes that were lightly worn and can afford to not be washed. See? Look, you'll actually see the amount of dust. That's so gross. My makeup collection has gone down to these 3 drawers, these 3 little bins. I used to have so many more of these to hold more of my makeup collection, but that was when I was being sent like a really gross amount of product. I was being sent so many products at once, so now I'm just organizing my makeup collection, and I really liked how I downsized it. I did a whole video throwing out all of my makeup, and honestly, it was much needed. It was so bad. A lot of the time, I'll also put my stuff in my closet, but it's just turned out that way. I don't have enough space for all the things that I have. I'm going to be getting a clothing rack because I feel like everyone has a good clothing rack. Before, it was my table, which you can see over here. It's like this, but it's a foldable table, it actually can come apart over here. Fold it up, put in the legs, push it back in, and then I can like keep that either like on this wall or anywhere really. I can absolutely love my room. Let's do an after, okay? Okay. This is the after. It looks so much better. Oh my gosh, like so much cleaner. I folded up the table and I put it over here. I think once I put in my clothing rack, it's gonna look so good. But then this is my bathroom. Cute, right? I mean, like I still have a lot of products, but if you look a little closer, like I organized everything in here. Some of my hair stuff, body stuff, especially like my self-tanning stuff, which I'll be using soon. But I'm very proud of it. It looks like it really came along. See? And I even like my carpet. You can see my carpet. But this is the finished result. How did I do? I love it.